guys, how's it going? This is Bill from My Better Half. Check this out, guys. The Bissell Steam Shot Steam Cleaner. My wife and I just bought this from Amazon. Wasn't very expensive, like 30 bucks. But I've heard a lot of people talk about this and say good things about it. So we just want to actually take this and clean some things with it and see if it measures up to all the hype. I also just wanted to add that this video is not sponsored by Bissell. Although if they want to sponsor this video, I won't complain. Guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I would so appreciate it if you guys would do that. Click the bell icon so you're notified of new videos as they are uploaded. And at that, let's get to it. So here's some attachments that come with the Bissell Steam Shot. Of course, you have this cup here that you use to fill it up with water. It takes 6.6 ounces of water to fill it up. You've got various brushes here. This scraper and a few more things that come with it as well. So we're going to show you how to set this thing up and then we'll do some cleaning. Alright, so the way that you fill this thing up with water is you push this down and you actually unscrew it until the cap comes off, just like that. Then you take your little fill cup here and you fill it to the max line, which is, like I said before, 6.6 ounces. And you pour it into the Bissell Steam Shot until it's all in. All right, now we put the lid back on. Don't forget that you have to push the lid in to completely tighten it up. All right, now we're ready to start adding our attachments. This, of course, is the main one. And that will fit right on there, and then you twist it until you feel it lock in place. And then on the end here you can actually add these other attachments. You've got like the brushes, the scraper, all that can be added to the end here, just like that, whatever attachment you want. So I've got the Bissell plugged in. As you can see, there's a red light right here. The red light means that it's not ready to be used yet. When the Bissell is ready, that red light will actually go off. The red light is off. Let's go clean. All right, guys, check this out. This is the grout on our kitchen floor. Right here, we're gonna put the steam cleaner on that and see what this thing's capable of. And also, on this particular job, we actually added the brush to the end of the steam cleaner to give it a little bit more cleaning power. So let's try this out. Moment of truth, guys. Whoa, look at that. All right, let's compare.
That looks awesome.
Let's compare. All right, here's this one. And here's one that's not been cleaned. Look at this. Look at the difference. It really works. That really freaking works. And the best thing about this, guys, is that this is nothing but water. There's no harsh chemicals. It's just water. Steamed hot water. Look at that. Look at that rag. That's what came off of that floor. That's incredible. Okay, so far I'm sold. All right, let's go clean something else.
Hey, have you ever cleaned your windowsill with a toothbrush and when you clean it, it just pushes the dirt in the nooks and crannies? Well, we're going to see if this will bring it out so we can capture it. Are you ready? Here we go. So I decided not to use a brush on this because I don't want to push it in. I want to swish it out. And right here it got really, really clean. See that compared to that? That looks so much better. And even this groove compared to right here. I think it works good there too.
Here's another area of the house where you can use the steam cleaner. On the commode, you've got this area right underneath here. You can see that a toothbrush can't get underneath there. Rags can't get underneath there. But the steam cleaner, I bet, can. So we're actually going to use the scraper tool on this one. I think that will work very well for this section because it's real skinny. It can get underneath those tight areas. There you go, guys. Check it out. It got it. All gone thanks to the steamer. You can even use the steam cleaner on your cup holders inside your vehicle. The lens is all fogged up. So there it is. All that gunk is gone. So there you have it, guys. The Bissell Steam Shot Steam Cleaner. This thing is really amazing. If I could just say one bad thing about it, it would be that it runs out of steam a little bit too fast. It lasts around 5 to 10 minutes on one fill-up of water, depending on what you're cleaning. But I mean, that's a small price to pay for something that's nice and compact that you can carry around with you and clean virtually anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, click the bell icon, and this is Bill signing off from my better half. Have a great day.